What's going on, everybody? Colin here for SammyGuru, and today we're going to be taking a look at another good luck update, and this is for the theme park module. In this update, we'll hop into the store here and take a look at the build number as well as all the new updates on the changelog. So right here under what's new, you can see we're on version 1.1.01.43 right there, and this brings improved image loading stability and performance, UI and UX enhancements, and landscape mode support for Fold devices. So if you have a Galaxy Fold device, this is a pretty nice update if you want to use your device in landscape mode while still using this good luck module. And overall usability and stability improvements as well. So always good to see that. If we hop over in here to theme park now, for my case, I really only use this for customizing the icons. You can use this application for making different themes, keyboard themes, quick panel themes, icon themes, volume panel themes, all that kind of stuff. But I really only use it for the icons personally. As you can see, I have the glass style icons right here on my Galaxy S25 Ultra. But you can also use this to apply third-party icon packs from the Play Store, or you can customize your own here. Like I have the embossed ones as well, so you can do different effects like that right here built into theme park. So pretty nice. And this app does seem to run a lot smoother, a lot snappier. If I go here and I change my icon pack, it does seem to apply that icon pack a lot faster than it used to when before the update. So they definitely did improve some stuff, and they are going to be improving a lot of these good luck modules here soon. With One UI 8.5 about to come out. We've already gotten some updates for other modules that we have some videos out on that add features for those of you on the 8.5 beta. So make sure you stay tuned and make sure you stay checking the store for these good luck updates, because a lot of these modules will get updated for One UI 8.5 shortly after it gets released or right before it gets released. So you have plenty of functionality and all that kind of stuff. Oops, I did not want to delete that. I'll have to remake that one, but all that functionality will improve, and you'll get additional features with One UI 8.5 here in good luck as well. And before I go, I just want to remind you guys, we do have the Samsung Mystery Box program open right now for those of you planning on pre-ordering a Galaxy S26 device. So you can go to SammyGuru.com. We've got the banner right here at the top of the website, and you can scroll down and you can enter right here at the Galaxy S26 Ultra. You can put in your phone number or your email, and when the pre-orders go live, we'll send you out a link to use. All you have to do is use our link to pre-order, verify your pre-order here on our website once that is done, and we'll send you out a mystery box with some goodies free of charge, no shipping, no nothing. And you can even look right here and see what's guaranteed in all the mystery boxes: a phone case, a screen protector, a desktop phone stand, cleaning kit, 65-watt charger, USB-C wired earbuds, and there are also some additional goodies that will be assorted randomly throughout the different boxes. Even some tickets for Galaxy Watches and Buds, and some Amazon and Google Play gift cards. So don't miss out on this if you plan on ordering a Galaxy S26 device. It's a great way to get some additional accessories at no cost to you just for pre-ordering using our link. I'm Colin with SammyGuru. You guys have a great day.